Can you love something for being functional? I mean, I guess you can. I don't know. I usually buy things because I think they're pretty or they look good in my house. These containers, they're amazing. I love them. I'm like totally obsessed. I used to always use like the bags. I mean, I just kept them in my pantry. I would have the little clips that would keep them secure, and that was what I've been doing for the last 50 years. I can't believe it's taken this long for someone to come up with this, but I think it's great. I like how each container has its own like special function, which is cool. I love these little brown sugar savers. You just wash it off, dry it off really well, pop it back into the lid, and it keeps the brown sugar from getting hard. Like what? The flour container came with a leveler. The sugar container comes with a little pour spout. The powdered sugar one also comes with a leveler, and it comes with a little dusting spoon. Is that not cute? Yes, I love this. And you can store it right in the lid. Just perfection. I love how each container has little markings so you know exactly what you have left. So if you go to the store, you're like, okay, do I have a cup left? Yes, you do. And also each container is designed to fit the exact amount. So you know you're not going to have anything left over to store. Whoever thought these up? Brilliant.